Installing handles, knobs, or pulls in your cabinets or furniture projects is not only functional, you gotta have a way to open those drawers and doors, right? They're also a great way to add another design feature. It's amazing how much different styles of knobs and pulls can change the look of a cabinet. Today we're gonna talk about how to install knobs and pulls and share a few tips and jigs that will make it easier for you. Now, there are two key objectives when you're installing knobs and pulls on your doors or drawers. First, to position the knobs and pulls so they line up with the other knobs and pulls. Nothing looks worse than misaligned pulls. Second, to make sure the holes you drill match the spacing of the posts on the pull that you're installing. Messing up the spacing of these holes is tough to fix. There are several ways to avoid these mistakes. Today, I'm going to go through 3 great options, starting with the most basic and then finishing with our new knob and pull drilling guide. Now, if you only have a single knob to install, then you could simply measure and mark the location on the cabinet. Place a piece of painter's tape in the general location to protect the surface from overdrawn markings. Measure and mark the position of the knob on the tape and drill a pilot hole that is slightly larger than the knob screw. Then remove the tape and attach the knob. Next, if you're building a project that features multiple pulls that are a common size up to 4 inches, then this jig can save you a lot of time and potential measuring or marking errors. This is the Rockler drawer pull Jigit template. It features pre-drilled holes for marking the post spacing of several size pulls. You simply set the distance you want to install the pull from the edge of the drawer or edge of the door, position the fence on the door or drawer, and mark the hole locations with the included center punch. Bore the pilot holes and attach the pull. Finally, if you want the most versatility, the new Rockler Jigit Knob and Pull Drilling Guide offers a number of innovative features that make it very easy. First, it uses the actual pull to position the post hole locations, eliminating measurement errors. You can use pulls with posts spaced up to 7.5 inches apart. Second, the pull can be positioned up and down on the drawer face on 2 legs that securely lock the pull position in sawtooth notches. Next, an adjustable indexing foot can be set and locked to consistently position the jig in relation to the drawer side. To position a second pull on the other end of a large drawer, remove the indexing foot rod, leaving the stop collar in place. Reinstall the indexing foot on the other side of the jig, using the stop collar to match the spacing of the first pull. Of course, you can just as easily use only this fixed leg to install single hole knobs. Just position the fixed leg in drill guide bushings and bore the pilot hole. So there you have it, 3 great ways to install the knobs and pulls on your cabinets or furniture projects. Now, the importance of getting this right may seem obvious, but it really does add that final professional touch to your projects. I hope you found these tips helpful and you'll apply them the next time you need to install knobs or pulls on your next furniture project. Now, you can find detailed instructions of how to use both of these jigs on Rockler.com. I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.